Welcome to Full Point, the Cebu Sports Show. We're here at the Alta Vista Golf and Country Club for the first Sinulog Cup Open Charity Golf Tournament. I'm your host, Nimrod Quinones. The organizers, who are a group of young golf enthusiasts, are also very much involved in community work to share their blessings.
The idea of organizing this tournament came up when we had a round of golf here at Alta Vista. Most of us were invited to the different tournaments in the other cities in the country. Arnold had a chance to play in Davao City with Durian Tea, and when I went there last September, I was also invited to join the first ever Golden City Friendship Cup. So we were talking about it, and how come Cebu doesn't have a tournament that somehow represent a famous festivity or maybe a famous product of Cebu? So then here comes, well, Brian and I are members of the Masonic fraternity, the Onkilat Masonic Lodge number 437, and for quite some time, for 2 years now, we've been doing charity projects in the southern part of Cebu. We came up, why not we do something, or we organize a fundraiser that somehow will sustain these charity projects in the coming years. So we had the same interest, so we were playing golf, so why not we organize a golf tournament? Then discuss with the name, what would be the name of our golf tournament. So the first was Twin City of the South Cup, but it's too long. Jerry to ask na, someone already used the name Sinulog, since Cebu is known for Sinulog, so why not we use the name of Sinulog? So that's it. It started there. Then we coordinated this with the officers of the Masonic Lodge and the South Cebu Square and Compass Association. So everyone was really working for its realization.
Pintak said that by holding the Sinulog Cup, they have also made an event that will be easy for the golfers from other parts of the country and the world to identify as a tournament that is very Cebuano.
There is a reason why we use the word first, because, well, the reason is we want to organize another one, which will be the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, etc. This is our first time to organize an event like this, and we admit that it's quite hard, considering that all of us are newbies.
One of our biggest sponsors is our Allen Logistics.
We also have Sumitomo, sir.
Sumitomo.
Yeah. We also have Escaya Beach Resort and Spa, QM Builders, and Ju Foam, PCSO is also a big sponsor of ours. UNTI and SB Harmonic Lights and Sound.
We would like to thank first the Alta Vista, because without the support of our club here, this tournament of ours would not be as successful as it is right now. So, sir, thank you for supporting our tournament, and we heard from the old members, sir, that you are really want to support our activity. So, sir, thank you.
The event was backed by Alin Cargo Express, Escaya Beach Resort and Spa in Panglao, QM Builders, and PCSO. Also supporting the tournament were the only Ju Foam Corporation, Sumitomo, UNTI Philippines, SB Harmonics Light and Sounds, and BJMP Club High 12 Region 7. Around 150 players joined the tournament, and emerging as champion in Class A was club treasurer and golf director Ramon Sebastian with 45 points. First runner-up was Jun Zambo with 44 points, and second runner-up was Korean Joseph Yun. Korean Park Dae-ho topped Class B with a whopping 48 points, followed by Rasi Rason with 47, and third placer was Willie Go with 45. Alan Kent Ong had a spectacular 14 under par 50 points in the Stableford scoring system to rule Class C, and second was Eric Prado with 46, and third went to Arturo De Paz also with 46. Mayet Alba topped the ladies division with 34, while Tess Magazeni was second with 33, and third was Willie May Go with 32. Special prizes went to Kenneth Lim for nearest the pin on hole number 6, Alain Campos for the most accurate drive on the 11th, and Wendell Yap for the longest putt on the 18th. Edwin Salimbangon aced hole number 8, and he won an overnight stay at Eskaya Beach Resort and Spa, 30,000 pesos, a round-trip ticket to Korea from Air Busan, and another 10,000 from the host club. Today we had fun at the golf course, and we were also able to contribute to a very good cause. That has been Full Point, the Cebu Sports Show, and I'm your host, Nimrod Quinones. I'd like to thank Past Sports at the Ayala Center Cebu for their continued support.